it's a go, even though we had the rain today.
They're 10th graders at Pioneer High School in San Jose, California. But today, they're not just students.
You guys have fun, be great with them, but make sure you're staying on track, keep track of your time, enjoy yourself, and hopefully have a good exercise out there.
Equipped with backpacks and tall rubber boots, these guys are headed outdoors to become teachers themselves. They're trekking out to the river behind their school to meet up with some special pupils.
This is Gabby.
Hi, Gabby.
It's all part of a special year-round program here called Biosite.
It actually stands for Students Investigating Their Environment. So what we're doing is we're taking all of the 4th graders from the local elementary schools and we're teaching them about different, like the riparian community. Last time it was watersheds. There's different activities we do to kind of build up their knowledge.
One activity is designed to show kids how trees can create water.
Evaporation, condensation, precipitation.
We're teaching them a lot about trees and about the importance of what they do. And so one of the activities that we did is treeific trees, which is we take a bag and we put it over like a little group of leaves. Okay, so now I want you guys to bunch the end of the bag and put the twist tie on it. It helps the students see exactly how it works because they'll see the little condensation on the outside of the bag.
Student teachers Serena and Jesse are out here because they love the environment and want to protect it.
And I'm really interested in water pollution, so I felt if I can come out here and teach the kids about it, it would be a great experience.
All right, you see that bird right there? That kind of cool? What kind of bird do you think it is?
So we had all the kids put on pretty big rain boots, and we went up to the deepest part and we would stick a meter stick in there to kind of measure the height. And all up along the stream, there's different heights of the river, so we kind of want to compare them. We also took this little densitometer, I think it's called, and we would count the amount of dots they had to find out how much shade we had under the tree.
They collect all the data and compare the changes in the river community over time.
Coming out here, by teaching the kids, we're making them aware of what's happening, all the pollutants that are in the water from the runoff, like our first huge storm last week, that all the metals from the cars and stuff all ran off into this river. And we just teach them about it and how you shouldn't put soap and stuff and clean stuff off and not to litter and all about stuff like that.
They're incredible. It never ceases to amaze me, the capability, the creativity, and the passion with which our high school facilitators work with their 4th graders.
Berit Adden is the Biosite Program Director, which is run by the Children's Discovery Museum in San Jose.
We are holding them to a high standard to develop their lesson plans and work with their 4th graders to the best of their ability. And they don't let us down. And it's just exciting to watch them do their job.
The day can't end without doing a little digging in the dirt, or make that potting soil.
Who else needs a pot?
These will be later planted down by the river.
It helps the students see that the restoration of native plants is really important. And having that in the community is a key concept of the balance that it keeps in the riparian community.
It's a lesson for both student and teacher.
I love it. It's such a blast. We play different games with the kids. We get them involved. I wouldn't change it for the world.
And we're hoping that all of Biosite students become environmental stewards for the future and start caring about issues like pollution, about water quality, about what's happening with vegetation. Hopefully these are lifelong lessons that they're taking with them after Biosite.
Biosite on 3. 1, 2, 3. Biosite! Woo! Nice job, guys.